Location. This home has a great location with a spectacular view of Lake Oconee, views to 3 holes of the golf course and ready access to the clubhouse, swimming pool and tennis/pickleball courts. A unique floor plan in the Harbor Ridge section of Harbor Club. It has 2 large bedroom suites on the main floor and a 3rd large bedroom with bath on the upper floor. A separate tiled large laundry room with cabinets and space for folding or drip drying is conveniently located off the dine-in kitchen. The kitchen features upper cabinets that reach to the ceiling, hardwood floors, breakfast bar and an office nook/keeping area. The master bedroom with a tray ceiling is oversized. Its tiled bathroom features a walk-in shower, jetted tub, dual sink vanity and a large walk-in closet. There are hardwood floors in the open-plan dining room and great room. At the back of the home is a peaceful tiled sunroom where you can relax and enjoy the great views offered by this home. There is an oversized 2-car garage that can fit 2 SUVs and a golf cart. Storage areas are found on the upper floor as well as in the walk-in crawl space. Landscape maintenance is included in the Harbor Ridge POA fee.